Hi, I'm Harshwal Oswal, Director at Meshworkz. We are into manufacturing of insect screen systems, outdoor zip lines and skylight systems, retractable roofs. All our systems are manufactured and designed in-house. That's a USP. In our company, we have state-of-the-art machines for every process, right from cutting machines to welding machines to laser plotters and high-speed fabric cutters, which also give accuracy and are very much needed for all the exterior shading products. Our association with Somfy started in 2016. Since we started manufacturing the external shading products, the partnership has been really very strong in terms of supplies and giving innovative solution to our customers. Somfy has been the market leader in the tubular motors industry, and all our products are designed based on Somfy. Somfy is a core of anything that we design and we manufacture. Screens can be operated with a handheld remote through the automation device or through the mobile app using Tahoma. The feedback that we get from the customers is very positive, and the references that they give us is backing that. And this is what our customers have to say about us.
Hi, I am Sujgol from Nuta International. We are into manufacturing of doors and windows since last 14 years. It's a hassle-free installation and a robust after-sales service from Team Somfy. What I feel with Somfy, we are rest assured.
Out of several projects that we've executed with Somfy in India and in Dubai, I would say the most memorable project has been the Taj Hotel we did in Mumbai. Somfy has a very good sales support system in place. They have a sales support team in every region, so it becomes very easy for us to troubleshoot at sites. When it comes to motorization, the basic demand that the customers have is covering large spaces in the sleekest way possible. Our customers have been able to reduce the energy consumption and make the space more livable. Motorization is growing in India, and I think Meshworkz and Somfy as a team can take on any challenge.